Winter is the perfect time to lean into cozy, refreshing kombucha flavors that still feel bright and nourishing. Today, I'm sharing Kombucha Winter Flavors Part 1 featuring orange, ginger, and mint, all brewed using a hibiscus kombucha base with extra color, tartness, and antioxidants. I'll walk you through how I prepare each flavor for a second fermentation, F2, and then we'll do a taste test to see which one really shines. If you love seasonal kombucha flavors and home brewing tips, you're in the right place. If you're newer to brewing, second fermentation or F2 is where the flavor and fizz really develop. This is when we bottle our kombucha, add fruit, herbs, or spices, and let it ferment just a little longer to build natural carbonation. If you want a full breakdown of F2 timing, bottle safety, and carbonation tips, I'll link my video 7 essential tips every home brewer kombucha maker should know in the description. Let's start with Ginger Hibiscus Kombucha, which is a winter staple. Ginger adds warmth, spice, and digestive support, making it ideal during colder months. I'm using fresh ginger here. Just a small amount goes a long way. Ginger also helps kickstart carbonation, so this is one of those bottles you'll want to keep an eye on during F2 or second fermentation. If you're interested in immune supporting kombucha flavors, I'll also have a full video on immune boosting kombucha recipes, which I'll link below. Next, let's start with Orange Hibiscus Kombucha. Orange is one of my favorite winter flavors because it's bright, naturally sweet, and packed with vitamin C, which pairs beautifully with tart hibiscus. For this bottle, I'm adding fresh orange juice. Citrus ferments quickly, so this flavor usually carbonates fast and develops a really lively fizz. This one is perfect if you like kombucha that tastes refreshing but still feels seasonal, almost like a winter citrus soda. Last for today is Mint Hibiscus Kombucha. Mint may sound more like a summer flavor, but in winter, it's incredibly refreshing, especially after heavier meals. The key with mint is to gently bruise the leaves so they release their oils without overpowering the kombucha. This flavor stays clean, crisp, and herbal, and it balances the tartness of hibiscus beautifully. All 3 of these bottles will ferment at room temperature, about 75 degrees, for 24 to 48 hours. I'll also burp my bottles daily, especially when using citrus or ginger because pressure builds up quickly. Once they're fizzy and firm, they go straight into the fridge to slow fermentation. Okay. It's day 2. I put these in the refrigerator yesterday, but now it's time to do the taste test. Let's start with the hibiscus orange. You can see some of the bubbles. I did burp it yesterday, so some of the fizz probably is gone, but let's see how much of a carbonation we got. So, not much. Let's see if I shake it up a little bit. Get more of a carbonation. Okay, so you can see some of the carbonation, the fizz. And like I said, I did burp these yesterday. Let's see what this tastes like. And now this is the hibiscus orange. It is good, but it is tart. This one does have more of a tart flavor. But I can honestly say it does not give me holiday or winter flavor. It does not give me the winter flavor. This one. All right, next
is the, which one is this? The ginger. So this is hibiscus ginger. I've made a hibiscus ginger before. I just love ginger. So give it a quick shake. You still see some of the bubbles. Like I said, I did burp all of these yesterday. So you're probably not going to hear much carbonation. You heard a little bit on that one. Let's give this one a taste. This one is really good. I personally just love ginger. So I do like this one. It does give me somewhat more of a winter flavor than the orange, because it is kind of, you do get the warmth from the ginger. So I do like that one. And lastly, let's try the hibiscus mint. This one I knew was not going to carbonate as much. And as you heard, it didn't really have, it has the bubbles, but not really that much carbonation. Let's give this one a try. Now this one I really like. You really taste the mint in this one. And to me, this one has more of the, like the minty winter flavor type, the minty winter flavor with it. I would definitely make this one again. So now if I had to rank these three, the mint, the ginger, and the orange, if I had to rank them as far as flavor, because I feel like they all have the same amount of carbonation. So for me, I wouldn't rank them for carbonation in this instance because they all carbonated at the same pace. So if I had to rank them, I would probably say the mint I would say my ginger is first, and then the mint, and then the orange as far as ranking these for flavor. I really enjoyed these.
This is Winter Kombucha Flavors Part 1, and there are more seasonal flavors coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out these next. All links are in the description. Thanks for brewing along with me, and I'll see you in the next video. May all your kombucha be fizzy and delicious.